Let me explain the coin change problem. Imagine we have coins of different denominations and a target amount. We need to find the minimum number of coins needed to make that amount. There's no limit to how many coins we can use. Most people first think of a greedy approach. Take the biggest coin first, then move down. In our case, take 7. That leaves 4, so we add 4 ones. That's 5 coins total. But is that the minimum? No! We can solve it with just 3 coins, 5, 5, and 1. That's why we use dynamic programming. Now let's see how it works. We initialize an array from 0 to the target amount, which is 11. Each index represents the minimum coins needed to make that amount. Let's check the coin value 1 case. For amount 0, we need 0 coins. For coin value 1, it's straightforward. Amount 1 needs 1 coin, amount 2 needs 2 coins, and so on. Now here's the important part. For each amount, before we insert a value, we look back by the coin value, add 1, and compare it with the current value following this formula. Then we update it with the smaller value. Why? Because going back by the coin value lets us see the current best result for that amount. For example, to make $3 with coin value 1, before inserting, we look back to the value at 2 and add 1. That gives us 3. Then we compare 3 with infinity, and of course 3 is smaller, so we update the value for amount 3 to be 3. Now, let's look at coin value 5. We begin at index 5. To make amount 5, we only need 1 coin, so we update it. For amount 6, we check the value at index 6 minus 5 and then plus 1. That gives us 2 coins for 6, and we continue the same way. Then we use coin value 7. Start at index 7. For amount 7, just 1 coin is enough. Moving forward, we update each amount by choosing the minimum number of coins possible. At the end, the last value in the array gives us the answer. In this case, it's 3. Once you understand how it works, it's easy to implement. Let's look at the code. We start by initializing an array of size amount plus 1. Set index 0 to 0, since no coins are needed for amount 0. For each coin, we update the DP array starting from that coin's value up to the target amount. At each step, DPI becomes the minimum of its current value, and DPI minus coin plus 1. Finally, if DP amount is still infinity, it means it's impossible, so we return minus 1. Otherwise, we return DP amount, and that's how we solve the coin change problem using dynamic programming. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.